So, ladies and gentlemen, it's Big D Vinyl 2012 here on YouTube. And if you can remember, a couple of months ago, I recorded this. When I recorded this video, it didn't turn out right, did it? Because there was no sound. So I've got another. I'm gonna be doing it again with this thing here. It is, of course, once again the Jada Toys radio control Optimus Prime, right here. So he stands. This came out in October last year. And has been released in the US before it even came here in the UK. It came out in late October last year here in the UK. It's worth about £80. You can get it now from any high street retailer, Argos, Smith's Toy Superstores, Amazon, or some selected toy stores at £80. This is the official. This is the larger scale version of its original G1 classic. Also about leader Optimus Prime, also voiced by the guy who does him in the cartoons and also Transformers the movie, Mr. Peter Cullen. And here now for you, you can hear his voices just by pressing his grill just here.
Megatron must be stopped, no matter the cost.
He's got a few different phrases.
Let's roll. Greetings, friend. I am Optimus Prime. Activate. Don't let the Decepticons win this race.
Some of his famous phrases there. That's Optimus Prime, and also this is also the remote, also the radio control, which is here, as you can see it here. The unidirectional functions. This main robot operates by 4 AA batteries and 3 AAA batteries for this remote. So without further ado, let's get him in action. Here is his on-off switch. If you can just about see it there where my finger is, and he's lit up there. It's all lit up. You can just about see his blue eyes. If you can, I'm just pointing directly at the camera there. So this is him, and you can, and like I've just shown you with this with the grill, you can also use the remote as well. To get him into action, that is. Give me one moment.
Greetings, friend.
There we go.
I am Optimus Prime. Don't let the Decepticons win this race.
Also, he moves. Spinning around in circles there. It's quite, and also automatic transformation as well. From as he's in robot right now, he's in a truck. So check this.
Let's roll.
There we go with his movements there. Just want to be careful, doesn't fall off the table. So here it is. Here it is. He's now in truck mode. But the only thing is, I wish Jada Toys would have actually done is, I think you know what I'm talking about, is the actual official grey trailer. As a when the original G1 toy first came out back in the early 1980s. Of this, he had a trailer which also transformed into a like a command station, battle command station, if anyone remembers that. Well, only wish they added that onto this. A great large scale die cast as well. Absolutely brilliant. So let's spin him round again. So I'm getting view in front of the camera, and is now about to transform back into robot mode. Now once again you can see his authentic blue eyes there. Just bring him closer to the camera. There you go, you can see his blue eyes there.
Megatron must be stopped, no matter the cost. I've returned, more powerful than ever.
Once again, that's the voice of Mr. Peter Cullen there, who actually did the actual voice of Optimus Prime in the Transformers animated series, and also the hit movie of 1986, not forgetting Transformers the movie, which is still going on strong for me because I love that film. That's 1986.
Don't let the Decepticons win this race. Greetings, friend. I am Optimus Prime.
So all in great authentic detail there. It's available. He is available now, by the way, in Argos, in selected stores like Argos, Smith's Toy Superstores, Amazon, and all other independent toy superstores. It's £80. It's £80 here in the UK. It got released at the end of October last year, 2023. So one more time, let's convert him back into truck mode and then robot mode.
Let's roll.
So there you go. That's the Jada toy. That was the Jada Toys Transformers Optimus Prime radio control. It's out now at £80. If anybody hasn't got one of these, it's absolutely fantastic. This, I love it. I really do love this to bits. That's the and once again just show you the remote control there with left, right, backwards and forwards, audio,
more powerful than ever,
and also convert mode.
Let's roll.
Back into his truck again.
Megatron must be stopped, no matter the cost. Activate.
Yeah, so that's the Jada Toys Optimus Prime. I actually did record this back 3 months ago in November, but there was no sound. So hopefully it should be better quality this time for you guys to enjoy on YouTube. I've been Big D Vinyl 2012, and I've got another review coming up for you, coming up next from the Real Ghostbusters. That's coming next.